Setting a wardrobe budget is something that could make or break a shopping trip. When you don't set a budget, you're less likely to buy the items that you actually need, and you're more likely to waste money on unnecessary pieces. If you've never thought about creating a wardrobe budget before shopping, then I advise you to stick around to learn why wardrobe budgeting is important and how it can completely change your shopping experience for the better. Hello beautiful boss, I'm Tony, the personal stylist and founder of allthingstony.com, where I help women like you to discover, develop, and enhance your personal style. So you've cleaned your closet, you got rid of most of your clothing, and you feel like you have nothing to wear. Obviously you need to purchase some new items, but you don't have enough money to buy a completely new wardrobe. This is why you need a wardrobe budget. So you're probably thinking, okay Tony, how much are we talking about spending? How do I even build a wardrobe budget, and how often do I need to shop? If you have any of those questions running through your brain right now, stick around because I'll be sharing 2 different ways that you can set up a wardrobe budget. If you haven't already, you should also pick up your free guide on how to shop like a stylist, where I go more in detail on this topic and many more. And if you're wondering what steps you need to take before you even begin budgeting, then you should watch the video series that goes along with the guide, and I'll link that below where you're watching this video as well. Setting up your wardrobe budget is amazing because it gives you the ease to rebuild your wardrobe without the stress and worry of spending too much money. It also helps to prevent impulse shopping, which I believe is a girl's worst enemy. When you set a wardrobe budget, you're working within a set amount of money, and so you're going to want to use that money for things you actually want or things that you planned on purchasing. You won't want to waste it on those random items at the checkout line. I also found that setting a wardrobe budget allows you to treat yourself as often as needed. I used to do this thing where once I saw an item that I wanted, I would constantly talk about it and say, oh, I'm gonna get that, I'm gonna get that, but I would never get it for myself. With this budget, you have a chance to get the things that you want, and you won't feel bad about it because you actually planned for it. So there are 2 different ways that I find works great when it comes to setting a wardrobe budget. The first way is to set a monthly budget amount for clothing. So with this style of budgeting, you can buy new pieces from your shopping list each month. I personally like to budget for my wardrobe in this way because I like knowing that I can treat myself at least once a month. So the second way that you can budget is to save up each month to accumulate a goal amount for your budget. With this style budgeting, you won't be purchasing clothing every single month. Instead, you'll have a set goal for how much money you want to save up, and each month you can contribute to that goal. And then once you reach that goal, you're then able to purchase some of the things from your shopping list. So if you're wondering how much you need to save or budget for your clothing, then you won't find that answer here or anywhere else. The amount you set for your budget is completely your choice. Your wardrobe budget is going to depend on your income, the quality of clothing that you like, how frequently you like to shop, the number of items you have on your shopping list, and how urgent you need those items. Your wardrobe budget is something that is special to you, so I would never tell you how much you need to spend. In the next video, I'll be teaching you how to put your budget to use and shop with a plan. This is a moment that you and I have been waiting for, stress-free shopping. Until then, click the link below to get your free guide on how to shop like a stylist. Subscribe to the blog for more freebies and updates on the next post. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.